Have you ever wondered how our moon came to be? Today, we're exploring one of the most significant events in Earth's history, the collision with Theia. Let's start by understanding the context. In the early solar system, planetesimals like Theia orbited in stable Lagrangian points relative to Earth. Gravitational perturbations caused by other planetesimals disrupted Theia's orbit, leading it out of its stable position and toward a collision course with proto-Earth. This giant impact was so powerful that it ejected large amounts of material from both bodies into space, which eventually coalesced to form the Moon. Evidence supporting this theory includes the similar isotopic composition of Earth and Moon rocks and the Moon's lack of iron core, suggesting it was stripped away during the collision. This event not only created our Moon but also likely caused Earth to tilt on its axis, influencing seasons and climate patterns that shaped life as we know it. Understanding this collision is crucial for grasping the complex processes involved in planetary formation and evolution across our solar system. So there you have it, a massive collision was key to Earth's history. What other fascinating aspects of early planetary interactions would you like to explore?